This is a 2021 Porsche Cayenne. Now, as you notice, we did lift the vehicle up toward the rear section of the vehicle, but we also put it on a jack stand. So that's something you want to keep in mind, and also keep in mind that the car should be off because it does have two exhausts. Want to make sure that you don't have exhaust fumes coming into your face. So let's fill this up with some air and finish the tire change. What is the 0 to 60?
I don't really know. It's my wife's car, so it doesn't get pushed too hard.
Okay.
I would bet you 6 seconds.